welcome to MuchoHop. I'm here with a friend, Begoña. I've known her for lots and lots of years. I've known her for a really long time. She's in London, so I decided to meet with her. She's going to show me Soho and Covent Garden. And now we are here in Chinatown. If you want to join me, keep watching. Ah, the pigeons! Welcome, hoppers! Oh my goodness. So we're catching up. She doesn't want to speak English to me. No, español. Okay. So we're going to continue walking along Chinatown. It's actually like 3 or 4 streets, okay? So it's tiny. Okay, so now we're in the theater district. You have Les Miserables, the longest running show in England or in the world, I don't know. So this is something to do if you're in London. There are lots of different options. Thriller, Les Miserables,
Jammy.
Which one did you go to?
Motown.
Motown, right, she went to Motown. Begoña went to Motown and she liked it.
Yeah.
Jamie and okay, so in this area you guys can see that. So now we're in Soho. How would I describe Soho? Let's say trendy and trashy. Want a massage? Very interesting. I love this place. Hey you! Hi! He's so cute! Thank you! Yeah, you can go here and say hi too! They're getting ready for Christmas. See? London is ready. Okay, that's what you have to do in London. You have to walk it. Walk it so you could live it and enjoy it. We're right off Carnaby Street. I've never been in this area. It's amazing. Thank you, Begoña. Thank you for showing me around. So this is like a map of Soho. Very cool. You have like the theater district, you have the shops district, well, where the shopping area, Oxford Street. Up there, arts
Las
of
casitas
filmmakers.
pequeñitas.
Yeah, the little.
Eso es Liberty.
That's Liberty, Carnaby Street. So nice. And now we are at Regent Street. There's some type of Christmas toy parade going on here. Along Regent Street. There's so many people here. This is Liberty. We're going, I think it's like a department store. We're gonna go in. Begoña recommends it. She says it's much nicer than Harrods. So we have to go see. What is this? This looks really cool if you like Harry Potter. Begoña and I went into a cafe and just started talking and when we came out, it was dark. But okay, we're now in Covent Garden. Notice that there are theaters around here also. And we're gonna continue our journey, and then afterwards we're gonna go home because it's getting dark out. And it's been a great day. So now we're gonna go that way, and Begoña is gonna show you around, not me. So festive. So now we're at the intersection between Shorts Garden and Neal Street. Now Begoña brought me to Neal's yard. It's a cute little yard, really pretty, cute, very cozy, and the houses are like covered in ivy and plants, and it's just decorated really pretty. It's nice. It's really cute. It's so nice. Such a nice area. Ooh. This is the typical transportation of the area. So this is where we are now. Nice.
Además con las luces de Navidad está tan bonito, ¿verdad?
Sí. Now we're going to go into Covent Garden's market. Covent Garden Market. Ay, qué bonito. Look how pretty it looks. So nice. It looks so festive. Wow. Oh, wow. This place is amazing. Wow.
Aquí dices, no pega nada, pero
Qué
con las
precioso.
lámparas queda más bonito.
Okay, hoppers, I hope you enjoyed this video that Begoña prepared for us. She really showed me around areas that I hadn't been to in years and places that I didn't know. So I want to thank her so much for spending this beautiful day with me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video real soon. Bye! Hi, hoppers! She knows it well. See you guys. Bye!